Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Devana from the Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about income. Income is a key element in financial statement that reflect the result of a company's operational and non-operational activities over a specific period. Generally, income represents the difference between the revenue earned and the cost incurred to generate that revenue. Income is an important performance indicator for stakeholders such as investor, management, and creditor to assess how well the company is succeeding in generating profit. Types of income. Income can be divided into several types depending on its source and how it is calculated. Some common types of income found in financial statements include 1. Net income. Net income is the profit generated after deducting all costs. Includes operating expense, interest expense, tax, and other non-operating items. Net income is often referred to as the bottom line because it appears at the bottom of the income statement and provides the final picture of the company's profitability after all expense. 2. Operating income. Operating income is the income derived from the company's core activities, including revenue from the sale of goods or service, less the direct costs associated with producing or providing those goods or services. Operating income does not include non-operating income or expense, such as interest and tax. 3. Gross income. Gross income is the difference between revenue from sales and the cost of goods sold. Gross income gives an indication of how efficiently the company of producing goods or services that are sold. However, it does not account for other operating expenses such as salaries, rent, and marketing. 4. Earning before tax. Earning before tax represents the profit obtained after deducting operating costs and other non-operating expenses, but before accounting for tax obligation. This figure reflects the company's profitability without considering the impact of tax and provides a clear picture of operational performance. 5. Adjusted operating income. This is the operating income adjusted for certain factors such as one-time revenue or cost, non-recurring items, or change in accounting policy. It is used to provide a clear view of the company's operational performance free from the influence of extraordinary items. Importance of income. Income plays a critical role in various aspects, both for the company itself and for external stakeholders. 1. Performance indicator. Income is used to measure how well a company is generating revenue relative to the cost incurred. It serves as one of the main indicators for assessing the financial health of a company. 2. Investment decision. Stable and growing income can increase a company's appeal to investor. Net income is often on the key factors considered in valuing a company's value and predicting its future growth potential. 3. Dividend distribution. Companies that generate sufficient income are better positioned to pay dividend to their shareholders. This is often seen as evidence of a company's healthy cash flow. 4. Tax calculating basis. Income is also used as the basis for calculating corporate tax. Governments impose tax based on the income a company generates during a given period. So it is important for companies to report income accurately. Factor effective income. Several factors can influence a company's income, including 1. Revenue. An increase in sales volume or the selling price of goods and services can directly increase revenue and subsequently the company's income. 2. Cost and expense. Cost control, such as production costs, marketing expense, and administrative costs, is critical to maintaining a high level of income. Uncontrolled increase in costs can reduce a company's income. 3. Accounting policy. The choice of accounting policies, such as depreciation methods, revenue recognition, and inventory measurement, can affect the calculating of a company's income. 4. Economic and market condition. External factors such as economic fluctuation, regulatory change, or shift in market demand can affect both revenue and cost, which ultimately influence the company's income. Conclusion. Income is one of the primary elements used to measure and evaluate the financial performance of a company. It provides insight into how efficiently a company manages its revenues and expenses to generate profit. Understanding the different types of income and the factors that influence it is essential for management, investor, and other stakeholders in making informed decisions. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you.